Now we discuss inspection stages, that is in industrial application of inspection. The first point is shows that inspection, incoming inspection, that is receiving inspection. तो पर्टिकुलर बात करते हैं तो receiving inspection is the inspection of incoming raw materials, components या सब assemblies जो कि हम लोग परचेज करते हैं parts to be ensure that the according the required specification. और जो एम होता है ऑफ इनकमिंग इंस्पेक्शन का, प्रिवेंट करना गुड्स जो कि डू नॉट फुल डू नॉट फुलफिल द क्वालिटी रिक्वायरमेंट्स फ्रॉम entering the product process or thereby causing production problem or delay या reducing the quality of finished product. Incoming inspections therefore take place before the goods and stored or go to the manufacture. Second one, your in process inspection. It is the inspection of raw materials as it undergoes processing from one operation to another, जिसमें कि प्रोसेस इंस्पेक्शन में कैन बी कैरी आउट. पहला है फर्स्ट पीस इंस्पेक्शन, पेट्रोल या फ्लोर इंस्पेक्शन, ऑपरेटर इंस्पेक्शन, लास्ट पीस इंस्पेक्शन एंड सेंट्रलाइज इंस्पेक्शन. फर्स्ट पीस इंस्पेक्शन की बात करते हैं तो फर्स्ट पीस इंस्पेक्शन जो कैरी आउट करता है ऑन द फर्स्ट आइटम अंडर द मेड आफ्टर द मशीन सेटअप. और यदि बात करें इफ़ द वर्क कन्फर्म्स टू प्रिस्क्राइब स्टैंडर्ड, तो जो ऑपरेटर होगा वो अलाउ करेगा टू कैरी आउट द रेगुलर प्रोडक्शन. और इफ़ द वर्कर इज अनसेटिस्फैक्ट्री तो एडजस्टमेंट्स आर मेड इन द सेटअप. तो देयर आर फर्दर एडवांटेजेस, that is your wastage is minimized in the early stage itself, they are reducing the cost of production. And also there are also handling advantage, wastage is minimized in the early stage itself, thereby reducing the cost of production. By testing the first piece, the faults in the setting up the machine or process can be traced out and corrected. And the disadvantage is that production cannot be started unless the first piece is inspected. Men and machine may remain idle for want of piece inspection. And floor, patrol or roving inspection. Under the floor inspection, system quality is checked at the machine or at floor. The inspector walks around on the shop floor from machine to machine and checks sample of the work of various workers. What are the advantages of floor inspection? The floor inspection is particularly suitable when the product manufacturers are heavy and when the individual inspection stations can be effectively integrated with the line production. And also handling the material is reduced, it saves times, waiting for inspection and clearance is reduced, line layout of machinery needs not be distributed, defects may be quickly discovered and corrected, it helps catching the errors during the process is useful itself and avoids the further working on defective products. And what are the disadvantages? And there are centralized script inspection. Under the system, inspections is carried out in a separate room, fully equipment fully equipped with all measuring instruments or inspection device. और particular work जो होगा वो is to be inspected in transport to the inspection station, and it is used where the accuracy is the highest, requirements or precision measuring instruments are used. It was also used when the required inspection device cannot be brought on the shop floor. Then what are the advantages of centralized inspection? पहला है ये कि large quantity of work can be economically checked where inspection device are required. Second है कि जो सब डिवीज़न है inspection into simple task make it possible to employ less skilled inspector than would be required to floor inspection. And further is a C is a that is expensive or delicate instruments can be receive proper care and can be used more accurately. And further, the production floor can be kept orderly by removal or completed work from machine area, and no pressure from workers to accept the faulty work. And then no pressure from workers to accept the faulty work. Then further, and then that is the condition of our ideal, where there is a better control of quality due to a more accurate inspection, is the inspection room away from the shop floor, and supervision of inspection work is possible. Inspection using all the required precision measuring instruments and inspection device is possible. What are the disadvantages? The disadvantage is that a large amount of spoiled work may be accumulate and the creep before the defect is correct to the machine, and also handling of material or total processing time is increased. Defects due to machine setup और other machining errors जो होते हैं वो not quickly traced out होते हैं. प्रोडक्शन जो होता है मे बी डिलेड हो जाता है ड्यू टू द बॉटल नेक इन द इंस्पेक्शन रूम. और ये जो मेथड्स होता है नॉट सुटेबल फॉर इंस्पेक्शन हैवी पार्ट्स. व्हाट आर द ऑपरेटर इंस्पेक्शन. ऑपरेटर इंस्पेक्शन की बात जब करते हैं तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि ऑपरेटर जो होगा हिमसेल्फ कैरीज आउट इंस्पेक्शन ड्यूरिंग मैन्युफैक्चर. एंड लास्ट पीस इंस्पेक्शन की बात करते हैं तो हम इसमें कैरी आउट करते हैं ऑन द लास्ट आइटम मैन्युफैक्चर इन द लॉट, जैसे कि जो कि हेल्प करता है रेक्टिफाई करता है फॉल्ट्स को इन द इक्विपमेंट और सेटअप करता है यूपीएस बिफोर बिगिनिंग द नेक्स्ट लॉट. और साथ ही साथ ये जो फॉल्ट्स हैं ये दीज फॉल्ट्स जो होते हैं नॉट डिटेक्टेड व्हेन द नेक्स्ट वर्क is started, there is a risk of production delay. Then what is the final inspection? It is carried out the final manufacturing stage and its aims, इसका जो aim है to prevent करना defective product being shipped to the customer. इंस्पेक्शन मेथड में बात करते हैं तो पहला आता है मेजरमेंट, दूसरा आता है गो और नो गो चेकिंग, फंक्शनल टेस्ट, विजुअल इंस्पेक्शन, 100% inspection and sampling inspection. These are the inspection method. इंस्पेक्शन मेथड में बात कर रहे हैं मेजरमेंट्स, गो और नो गो चेकिंग, फंक्शनल टेस्ट, visual inspections and 100% inspections and samplings.